Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
WhatsApp Business Platform for Developers, Lecture 10. In this lecture, we will learn about future trends and advanced topics. Introduction, future trends in WhatsApp Business Platform, integration with other platforms and APIs, implementing advanced features, staying updated with WhatsApp Business API documentation and resources. Conclusion. Introduction. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting developments in business communication, WhatsApp Business Platform. As you all know, WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging apps in the world, with over 2 billion active users. And with the launch of WhatsApp Business Platform, businesses now have a powerful tool to engage with their customers and streamline their operations. Future trends in WhatsApp Business Platform. The WhatsApp Business Platform has been rapidly evolving to meet the changing needs of businesses and consumers alike. One of the latest trends is the integration of chatbots, which can automate customer service inquiries and provide personalized recommendations based on customer data. Another trend is the expansion of payment integration capabilities, allowing businesses to seamlessly accept payments through the app. This feature is especially important in regions where mobile payments are becoming increasingly popular. Integration with other platforms and APIs. Integrating WhatsApp Business Platform with other platforms and APIs can provide numerous benefits for businesses. For example, integrating with a CRM system can allow businesses to easily manage customer interactions and data, while also providing a more personalized experience for customers. Another successful integration is with payment gateways, which allows businesses to accept payments directly through the WhatsApp chat interface. This not only streamlines the payment process for customers but also increases efficiency for businesses. Implementing advanced features. One of the most exciting aspects of the WhatsApp Business Platform is the ability to leverage advanced features such as payment integration and chatbots. These features can not only enhance the customer experience but also increase efficiency for businesses. With payment integration, customers can make purchases directly through the app, eliminating the need for third-party payment systems. Chatbots, on the other hand, can provide instant support and assistance to customers, freeing up valuable time for human agents to handle more complex issues. Staying updated with WhatsApp Business API documentation and resources. Staying up to date with the latest documentation and resources related to WhatsApp Business API is crucial for businesses that want to stay ahead of the competition. By keeping abreast of the latest updates, businesses can take advantage of new features and functionalities as soon as they become available, which can give them a significant edge in the marketplace. One way to stay updated is by subscribing to WhatsApp's official blog, which provides regular updates on new features, enhancements, and best practices. Additionally, businesses can join WhatsApp's official developer community, where they can connect with other developers, ask questions, and get access to exclusive resources and tools. Conclusion. In the ever-evolving field of technology and software development, there are several future trends and advanced topics that are shaping the way we build and interact with software. As we look ahead, it is important to recognize these trends and explore how they may impact the future of software development. 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and ML are rapidly advancing and are being integrated into various aspects of software development. From natural language processing to predictive analytics and automated decision-making, AI and ML technologies are transforming how software systems operate and interact with users. 2. Internet of Things. IoT. The IoT is expanding the connectivity of devices and creating a network of smart objects. As IoT devices become more prevalent, software developers will need to adapt to developing applications and systems that can handle the massive amounts of data generated by these interconnected devices while ensuring security and privacy. 3. Augmented reality AR and virtual reality VR. AR and VR technologies are gaining popularity and finding their way into various industries, including gaming, broader applications beyond finance. Its decentralized and immutable nature has the potential to revolutionize areas such as supply chain management, healthcare records, and identity verification. Developers will need to understand blockchain technology and its programming frameworks to build secure and transparent applications. 5. DevOps and continuous delivery. DevOps practices, which emphasize collaboration, automation, and continuous integration and delivery, are becoming increasingly important in software development. Developers need to embrace these methodologies to enhance collaboration, reduce time to market, and improve the overall quality of software products. 6. Cloud computing. Cloud computing has revolutionized how software applications are deployed and managed. The ability to leverage scalable infrastructure and services provided by cloud platforms enables developers to build and deploy applications more efficiently. Understanding cloud technologies and leveraging cloud-native architectures will continue to be crucial in the future. 7. Cybersecurity. With the increasing number of cyber threats and data breaches, cybersecurity has become a top priority for software developers. Future trends will involve incorporating robust security measures into software systems, including encryption, secure coding practices, and continuous vulnerability assessments. In conclusion, the future of software development will be shaped by artificial intelligence, IoT, AR or VR, blockchain, DevOps, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. Staying updated on these trends and embracing advanced topics will be vital for developers to create innovative, secure, and reliable software solutions that meet the needs of a rapidly evolving technological landscape.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.